I have a long history of being utterly terrified of dentists, and it had got to a point where I had so much tartar on the back of my teeth, I was just thoroughly ashamed about it. I'd not seen a dentist for more than 10 years, so you can imagine, like cement, and I was just so embarrassed. And eventually I just thought, it's ridiculous, you can't keep living your life. I'd done so many other scary things that I thought, I've overcome all these things and I can't do what other people do as a normal part of their life. I just thought, I can't tolerate that any longer. I looked, I think I must have Googled, I searched online somehow, and Taylor Dental Care came up, and there were other people who were equally as terrified as me, and I can't stress how terrified I was. I mean, I can't imagine anybody being more scared than I was. I had to have hypnotherapy even to get into the building. So that's how I couldn't listen to anybody speaking out. Dentists, all my family knew that I would break out in a sweat. So if people are scared, honestly, you could not be more scared than I was. So I'd seen all these other people doing exactly this and saying that, you know, they'd overcome their fears, and thought, well, I'll have the therapy and then I'll see if I can get in the chair. And if I can get in the chair and stay in the chair, then we'll take it from there. So I just got to that point of thinking. And then I had an appointment with Rosina online, which was fantastic. So I didn't even have to come into the building because I couldn't have been anywhere near the building at that point. So reassuring, so lovely. It's just said, well, just come in when you can, sit in the chair, and if that's all you can do, then that's all you can do. But I got in the chair and we did it absolutely fine. So you're saying I can speak about it now. Before this, I couldn't have even said these words. I couldn't have even thought about it. So I've had a really good deep clean, and that's great. That's got, you know, made me more proud of being able to smile properly, not feeling embarrassed about it. And then I've had fillings, a breeze. I even had quite a tricky tooth out. It was quite a big one at the back. I mean, I wouldn't have even been able to say that sentence. And at every stage, Rosina and a nurse have just been absolutely fantastic. So I've asked questions. There've been things that I've been frightened about that have seemed like silly things to me. So, you know, I'm frightened the anaesthetic won't work. So I've been able to say to them, really dig around in there, make sure that anaesthetic works. And they've done it and not thought, oh, you are crackers. So, yeah, quite a range of treatment. And now we've got to a point where they are normal, more or less, you know, a normal set of teeth. Absolutely fantastic. I mean, it seems silly I'm smiling because anybody who knows me, my mum or, you know, partner or whoever, can't believe that I even sit in this room, that I can even come to this building. Never mind feel so relaxed when we're in this room. And we chat and we think about different things, we talk about things, and it just feels like, I've said it before, but feels like coming to get your eyebrows done or to get your manicure done, or it just feels exactly the same as that now. Absolutely not. No, it's an hour off work, it's great. Oh, without doubt, particularly for people who are nervous. You can't imagine how frightened I was. Absolutely physically terrified just at the name of the dentist, at the name of the word dentist. I couldn't even tolerate listening to it. And this has gone on for decades. So I'm completely fixed, absolutely fixed.
That's wonderful. You've been an absolute pleasure to treat.